Hello friends, welcome to Mansi's kitchen, and today I am going to show you how you can make pasta in red sauce at home. This is very simple and easy to make. Pasta is loved by all, especially kids. You can serve this in your breakfast and with your evening tea. Even when you don't have the craving to eat proper lunch and dinner, then this is the best option you can go with. Sometime you can make it a best option for your kids' lunchbox. If you like this recipe, press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Do try this recipe at your home and do not forget to share your experience with me by typing this in the comment box below. If you wish so, then you can share this recipe to your friends and family on Facebook and WhatsApp. So let's start making it. First we'll boil the pasta. For that we'll take water in a non-stick pan. To this I'll add salt and a spoon of oil. Here I am using oil so that pasta won't stick to each other. Give it a quick mix. Now I'm going to add pasta, around 1 cup. Mix it and allow it to boil on a high flame. Pasta is boiled perfectly. Now I'm going to switch off the flame and strain this. After that I will wash it properly. Here I am using this non-stick pan. To this I am going to add a spoon of olive oil. We generally make pasta in olive oil, so that I am using it here. You can also make it in butter and refined oil. Now I am going to add capsicums and onions cut into julienne and saute it on a high flame for a minute and so. You can add any vegetable of your choice, but today I am going to make it in a very simple way, so that I am using it only capsicums and onions. Onions and capsicums are cooked. To this I am going to add pizza sauce. Here I am using homemade pizza sauce. If you want to see the recipe how to make pizza sauce at home, then you can check out my YouTube channel. I have already uploaded that. Take a spoonful of pizza sauce and mix it properly. If you don't want to make it at home, then you can use ready-made pizza and pasta sauce here. Now we'll add oregano, some chili flakes, you can take it as per your taste, and a spoon of garlic powder. As we haven't added chopped garlic, so that I am using here garlic powder, but you can also use chopped garlic. Some salt as per taste, but keep in mind that we have already added salt in pizza sauce. Some black pepper powder and mix it. Everything is mixed. For enhancing its flavor, I am adding a spoon of tomato ketchup and mix it. Now I am adding some basils. This mixture is very dry, so I am adding little amount of water. Everything is mixed. Now I am going to allow it to cook on a high flame for 1 to 2 minutes, so that it will become thick. This gravy is thick slightly. Now we'll add boiled pasta. I have washed it properly and mix it. As you can see, pasta and sauces are mixed. Now we'll again allow it to cook on a high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes of mixing, you can see its texture. This is perfect. For making it cheesy, here I am using grated processed cheese. You can also use mozzarella cheese, or you can avoid it. And this is ready. Now I am going to switch off the flame and start plating. In last, I am going to sprinkle some grated processed cheese on the top. pasta in red sauce is ready and this looks yummy and delicious. Try this recipe at your home and share your experience with me by typing this in a comment box below. If you really like this recipe, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.